We mark it to easily detect any rotation, and then run a test for 20 seconds. The nut starts to loosen, and the graph shows clearly how the tension drops dramatically within seconds when running the test. We then expose a plain washer. A spring washer. A check lock nut. A nylon insert nut. And a double nut. All these solutions have in common that they rely on friction to secure the bolted joint. As friction is not a reliable locking method, the bolts will need to be retightened at regular intervals to prevent costly downtime. Nord Lock is an innovative solution comprising 2 washers in a pair. This solution uses an effective principle: geometry. The cam inclination is greater than the pitch of the thread of the bolt. The Nord Lock washers create a wedge effect underneath the bolt head. This prevents any rotation in the nut. After the initial settlements, a high and stable clamp load still remains. A second test continues to show that no unintentional rotation occurs. No retightening will be required. Since the Nord Lock wedge locking system is not dependent on friction, it is also unaffected by lubrication. Disassembly is simple. We see the top washer override the bottom washer, causing an increase in load during untightening. This is proof of the principle. To properly verify the locking effect, we also check that we have clear impression marks on the nut and on the underlying surface.